Yeah, my boat too. There is a boat in there. My fish. There is a fish. Guys, ayan, maraming fish. Maraming na. Wow. Wow, guys. Ayan, maraming fish. With ice. Ay, malaki. Napakalaki. Napakalaki niya, guys. Parang ano siya. Parang siyang bangus. Milkfish. Ayan, my boat. There is a boat. They're fishing. Uy, may malaki. Malalaki talaga, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ice. Kasama pang ice. Minto naman itong nag-boat. Mag-fishing. Ayan, Sus. Ayan, guys. Ayan, there's a fish. Ayan, nag-fishing din naman sila. Ayan. May mga ice pa. Mayroon ako nakita parang bangus talaga. Ang laki. Ayan. Tada! Sus, mistikang yung camera. Ayan, guys. Fishing. Ang dami. Yes! Yes! I told you. Help me. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing today. So, marami pa yan kasi ice, guys. Kung wala yung ice, siguro marami pa yan. Ayan, dami, guys. Ito naman di haringin is kisumangin, ha? Uy. Ayan, guys. I need more. Ayan, ang lalaki. Ayan ang nakasabit. Cherry di harmir in that. Sino ito? Ayun. Siguro sila dito. Kahit na may akala. Fishing sila kasi marami rin dito.